All right, guys, my name is Justin. We're going to be doing a repair attempt. We're going to be uninstalling this shingle right here. Just get a view of it. So we're going to be replacing this shingle right here. The roof is a little bit old. There's already some degranulation, but we're going to attempt to repair. As you can see, there's already granules coming off just from taking this off. And another issue that we're going to be running into, let me see this camera. So we have 2 layers of shingles on this roof. And as you can see, so during that uninstallation, we have a nail right here and a nail right here. Now, since usually this would be felt and would be capped off with plastic caps so that it would be watertight, as of right now, we have, and this is where another nail penetration is left from a nail that was removed. Essentially, this is not going to be watertight. The roof is likely going to leak with these 2 layers, especially with that other layer being so old. That's acting as the felt. You know, just on the uninstallation of the shingle, we have some pretty severe granule loss. No creasing, just a lot of granules off the top. And we'll reinstall the shingle. And I just want to show that just on, I know it doesn't matter for the installation, but just on the tear off or the uninstallation of the shingle, these are already separating. Same with this one too. So this was removed from the shingle just from the uninstallation. All right, we got the shingle back in place. Stuck on drippage.
Quite a bit of granule loss.
Yeah. So, all right, so this is the shingle that we uninstalled. We got tons of granule loss on the above shingles. The other thing is this shingle underneath has so much material transfer. Let me get the tack strip. That tack strip is not gonna properly reseal to the new shingle. So this whole area, the material transfer crosses the whole thing. So even if this shingle heats back up, it's not gonna re-adhere, and it's just gonna leak. It's gonna be physically impossible.